Last week, two doctors from TWC testified before Ron Johnson's Senate subcommittee on investigations on the topic of COVID-19 and corruption of science. Talk to us about why hearings like this are so important and what was the kind of explosive testimony that you had there.
America saw this on full display. The biopharmaceutical complex and their state actors, and I would put Richard Blumenthal and Hawaii Governor Dr. Josh Green in the complex. They were essentially promoting a false narrative that the COVID-19 vaccines saved millions of lives. So therefore, the damage caused by the vaccines, including heart damage, myocarditis, and the lives lost due to the vaccines, was somehow worth it. And it's all wrong. Blumenthal said 1.2 million Americans died with COVID-19. Even the CDC data suggests, just half of those individuals actually had pneumonia as categorized in the National Center for Health Statistics data. And on top of that, there are no randomized trials showing the vaccines reduced lives, no valid observational studies, and all-cause mortality has gone up with the vaccines. So what we found is a cover-up. The government was covering up the fact that the vaccines were causing heart damage, fatal myocarditis.
So if we're seeing, doctor, that some of the studies that you're talking about did not actually reduce deaths, but what you are seeing studies that show that there is a direct link between the vaccine and myocarditis and pericarditis, what do those statistics show? Is that more likely that the cure was worse than the disease?
The cure was definitely worse than the disease. The messenger RNA from Pfizer Moderna is found in the human heart, and its spike protein produced are found at the time of autopsy. These cases are fatal. I reviewed cases before the Senate, Bo, where the myocarditis is so fulminant that we can't save these young, healthy men in the hospital. That's how dangerous these vaccines are. So there have been untold numbers of lives lost due to the vaccine. The FDA still doesn't warn that myocarditis can be fatal on the package insert.